Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author. Welcome to my craft room. Today would be Sewing Talk Tuesday / Work in Progress Wednesday. I'm going to share with you things that I've been working on and things that are to come. So I'm glad you're here with me today. We're going to talk about a couple of things. So first things first, I've already gone around and taken some footage of things that I have worked on. So first and foremost, we'll talk about the table runner. Sophie's Pumpkin Patch Table Runner. I've sold a bunch of these already, and so I just want to let you know that if you're interested in purchasing one of these table runner kits, they are $59.99 plus free shipping. And I'm shipping via United States Priority Mail. So you'll get it within, I think it's 2 to 3 days. Everything you need to make this table runner is in this package. So you get the binding, the backing, everything to make it. The only thing you have to do is add batting and use your thread and sewing machine. That's it. That's simple. These are super, super cool. And I want to say thank you to everybody who's already purchased. I have very limited quantities left, so I will link to that, to where you can make the purchase for this on my Etsy store if you're interested, and I'll get them sent right out to you. As promised, here is the lovely Sophie's Pumpkin Patch Table Runner right here on my dining room table. I'm going to give you a little bit of a close-up here because it looks so cool here. I love it. I am in love with this table runner. So cute. I made this a while back as well. I have a tutorial here on YouTube on how to make this little table centerpiece. It was super easy. It was a lot of fun, and as you can see, it's very, very fall-like. All right, so there's that. Next, we're going to talk about the t-shirt quilt. So the t-shirt quilt is a gift that my sister and I are working on for a family member. I can't say who right at the moment, but these are the squares. I am working on a tutorial on how I am making this. It won't be ready until the quilt is actually done because I want to be able to show you the finished project, the finished product once it is done. So, but this piece in particular, if I can speak, hasn't had anything done to it yet other than the stabilizer that I put on it. But this one is going to be turned into a pillow because we had an extra one. So I'm going to make a pillow out of this. So it's going to look really, really cool. And so I'm excited about that. And I took some footage of the t-shirt quilt that I've been working on. I've got it laid out over in the other area down here on my carpet so that I know the layout that my sister wanted that in, so that when I start sewing it together, I have all the pieces just right there. So here is the layout of the t-shirt quilt. As you can see, we have been very busy. When I say we, I mean my sister and I have been very busy in trying to put this together. It is a gift for a family member. I'll show you how I did the quilting on it. I just did an X. So I sewed from corner to corner diagonally and created the X. Let's see here if I can show you what the back looks like. That's flannel. And it does have a layer of batting inside of it too. So I do have a tutorial coming up on this, but I'm just showing you the things that I've been working on here. So now I'm going to put this together as quilt as you go. I'm going to do some sashing in between to attach the blocks and the rows just to add to this. Then I'm going to do some sashing on this side on all the way around the edges, and I'm going to use black flannel for that. And yes, so it's going to add even more and make it pop. And I haven't decided on what color binding that I will use for that. So here's why I say that, because this is going to be the stripping on the back side of that quilt, and this is going to be on the front. So I'm going to have that red and then this green, and then this is going to be the black flannel that's going to go on the sides for the border. So you can see how well that goes. But I haven't decided if I'm going to do a mix of the green and the red for the binding, or if I'll bind it with black, or if I'll bind it with the red. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. But that's the plan for that quilt. I need to get working on that because Christmas is coming quick. And so I want to be done with it long before the holidays even really begin, because things start getting real crazy and chaotic, as you know. We don't want to mess with perfection, right? Okay, next thing that we're going to talk about is this. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this or not, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. This log right here, this was what my daughter's wedding cake sat on when she got married 2 years ago. And I was going through some Rubbermaid crates that I had down here in my basement, and I found her wedding stuff, and lo and behold, this is what I found in here. So I am going to be doing a tutorial with this, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it, because I'm going to make her something very special for her new home. So I think it'll be awesome. And of course, I found this too. So this is just a little stand, and I don't remember what I used it for, probably something for the wedding, but this is what it's going to look like. And she'll be able to set it down in her home on her shelves. So yeah, I'm excited to do that one. That's going to be a Cricut tutorial. So for those of you who have Cricuts, or if you don't have a Cricut and you're interested and you want to see what you can do with a Cricut machine, that's going to be a Cricut tutorial, and it's going to be fun. We're going to have a lot of fun doing that, and it's going to be very easy, I do think. So there is that. And last but not least, the one thing that I want to talk to you about. So I have gone ahead, and I know we've talked about this before, and I'm going to get to it, and it's going to happen on Friday of this week because I'm finally getting to it. I pulled down our blocks from the block of the month off of our quilt wall. And we are going to start doing things with these now. We're going to start doing the trimming up, and we are also going to start seeing how we can modify these blocks so that we can fit it into our quilt so that all the blocks are the same size. So that's what we're going to do. And I haven't determined what size these blocks are going to be. As you know, I've been shooting all along to make them like 12 inches, but I don't know if that's going to be the right size. So we're going to have to go through, we're going to have to measure each and every one of these, and we're going to have to go with the size that is the most consistent. And then that's what size we'll make all of our blocks. Okay. So you should have 12 blocks. If you don't have 12 blocks yet, then you need to either go to the playlist here on YouTube and check it out. It's Block of the Month 2020 or 2020 Block of the Month. I can't remember which, but you'll see it, Block of the Month. Or you can visit my website, craftyauthor.com, and I have a tab up at the top that has all of the Block of the Months on there. And there's all the cutting instructions, what sizes you need and whatnot, and how many squares and what size to make those squares. And also the video tutorials are included in that on my blog as well. So there's no guessing. So everything is right there. So if you're not caught up yet, you're going to want to get caught up so that you can join us when we start going through and modifying and trimming. So I just wanted to put that out there. And because I was doing this as we were going along, I also have practice blocks that I was using while doing Block of the Month. So I need to do something with these. And that is really all that I have for this week. I mean, I feel like I've done a lot. Things have been a little crazy with between work, this, quilting, getting things ready for the holidays. I've already started my Christmas shopping. I don't know if any of you have. I just don't want to be in a position this year where I'm like last minute doing stuff. So, and that's usually me. I'm usually last minute. Last year I wasn't. I was pretty well on my game last year. So I'm trying to get ahead of it again this year. And we've already got the grandkids pretty much bought or taken care of. I need to get a few more little gifts for the little one because I need to fill his Santa bag. That's another project that we're going to work on, is a Santa bag, another Cricut project. I think I told you guys about that and I showed you the bags that I ordered, but we will be getting into that within the next couple of weeks. Trying to think of what else. And for those, I just bought big laundry bag drawstring bags. They're cotton canvas bags. And I bought them off of Amazon. They're actually in my Amazon store. So if you would go to the link below this video, you'll find that there. Everything you see here, you'll find there, that I've purchased from Amazon. Trying to think of what else. Lots of things. I'll be doing some sweatshirts. I will be doing probably some t-shirts. So we're going to have a lot of different projects going here. Anyway, so I'm going to stop talking because I'm a rambling. But don't forget to get your Sophie's Pumpkin Patch Table Runner Kit. These are the instructions right here in this big envelope. I've done written instructions. There's a video tutorial out for it. So yeah. So if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share because sharing is caring. Make sure you click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload a new video, and keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.